Mazda is expanding its crossover offerings with the reveal of the all-new 2025 CX-70. Slotting between the compact CX-5 and midsize 3-row CX-9, the CX-70 enters the popular 2-row midsize crossover segment with Mazda's latest design and engineering to court young families and outdoor adventure seekers. Based on an elongated version of Mazda's scalable architecture that underpins vehicles like the CX-5, CX-70 stretches 187 inches long and rides on a 112-inch wheelbase. That makes it roughly the same size as segment rivals like the Honda Passport and Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport. Mazda says CX-70 is designed for American roads and active lifestyles with available all-wheel drive and generous cargo room to haul gear. Modern and athletic exterior styling falls in line with Mazda's Kodo design language, with a wide stance and chiseled bodywork. The front fascia features Mazda's signature grille flanked by slim headlights. Along the sides, a flowing beltline and blacked-out B and C pillars enhance the sleek profile. At the rear, CX-70 incorporates slim horizontal taillights and dual exhaust outlets. For a performance look, 21-inch black wheels can be fitted. Mazda carries over its upscale and driver-focused interior styling into the CX-70. An available red leather upholstery option ties into the 100th anniversary edition Mazda MX-5 Miata. A minimalist dashboard design creates an expansive feel, with an 8-inch or 12.3-inch infotainment display perched atop the dash. CX-70 also debuts a number of family-friendly utility features new to Mazda crossovers, including remote folding rear seats and a sub-trunk storage area in the cargo floor. CX-70 launches with two powertrain options designed with efficiency in mind. The standard engine is an eSkyactiv G 3.3-liter turbocharged inline six-cylinder with mild hybrid assist, making an estimated 340 horsepower. Mazda says this premium power plant provides effortless acceleration paired with refined performance. Also available is the eSkyactiv PHEV system, which combines a 2.5-liter four-cylinder with an electric motor and 17.8 kilowatt-hour battery pack. Mazda is targeting a range of 40 miles in EV mode from the plug-in hybrid CX-70. Both powertrains employ Mazda's predictive iActive all-wheel drive system. Mazda expands its iActive Sense safety technology suite in the CX-70 with a first-of-its-kind feature for the brand called unresponsive driver support. Using camera inputs to monitor the driver's gaze and posture, this system can bring the CX-70 to a safe stop if it detects the driver is unresponsive to alerts. CX-70 also introduces an available Alexa built-in system with natural voice control for convenience features. Slotting between the CX-5 and CX-9 in size and likely in pricing, CX-70 enters a highly competitive segment when it goes on sale next year as a 2025 model. Mazda clearly designed CX-70 with American buyers and lifestyles in mind, emphasizing design, driving dynamics, utility, and efficiency. We look forward to getting behind the wheel of Mazda's latest family adventure crossover.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.